Hey guys, today I'm going to run you through some quick, easy steps to get started with SandCastle. I'm going to assume you haven't downloaded SandCastle and start from the very beginning. If you're not familiar with it already, SandCastle is a terrain editing program that allows you to export your ActionScript code and assets for all of your terrain, height maps, lights, skyboxes, etc. It integrates directly into your Flash or Air projects, so it can be used in building your desktop, browser, or mobile applications. So let's get the program. You'll want to go to www.theyellowthorn.com/sandcastle/get. So you'll notice when going through the checkout process that it will require a credit card or PayPal account, but the first week is free, and you won't be charged until the first week is over. This gives you a nice try before you buy option. There's a link in the SandCastle program to unsubscribe if you decide you don't want to keep using the program after your first free week. But this is a really great tool, especially for game developers, because you can see the scene and the stats of that scene running in the actual environment the game will be running in. So this gives you the option to tweak the settings to get the very best performance before you go into production. So finish the checkout process. Once you're done, check your email because you're going to get a few from FastSpring. You're going to want to look for the one that says SandCastle Delivery Information. This email is going to contain a link to download the program as well as your product subscription key. So I'm going to open up the example email I have here. So click the download link. It's not a very large program, so the download should be really quick. Once that's done, find the sandcastle.air file you downloaded and open it with the Adobe Air application installer. Just follow the app install screen to finish the installation. For now, I'm going to keep the auto startup selected so that SandCastle will automatically load up when we are finished installing. So the first time you boot up, it's going to ask you to enter your subscription key. You should only have to do this once, as the program will save the key, so you won't need to enter it in every time. One thing I want to point out is that you will need internet access to validate your subscription anytime you load up SandCastle. So the key was in that email you received from FastSpring. Once you find it, just copy the subscription key and paste it into the SandCastle program window and click Sign In. And now you're ready to start your project. So once you finish sculpting your terrain, you'll want to take advantage of the scene export options in SandCastle. In order to use the code SandCastle exports for you, you will need the SandCastle API and Away3D connected to your project. So let's get Away3D first. Go to www.away3d.com/download. Once the page loads up, just click on the download button and you should see your download begin. If you already have Away3D, make sure you are using the release branch to ensure it works properly with the SandCastle API. So once Away3D has finished downloading, you'll want to find it and unpack it. Then just navigate to the Away3D and COM folders. These are the two folders you'll want to put into the source folder of your ActionScript project. So I have a project folder set up already here, and I'm just going to drag and drop these folders into place. So if you're somebody who likes to store all of your APIs in a central location and map your project to them, you can do it that way too. I just like doing it this way in case I want to modify the API for a particular project and not have it change for any other projects. So that's it for Away3D. Now let's get the SandCastle API. Go to www.theyellowthorn.com/sandcastle/API. This is going to take you to the GitHub repository. Again, make sure the release branch is selected and click on the Download Zip button. Find it and unpack it once it's downloaded. And then open it up and you'll see the Terrain Builder folder. You're going to want to drag that folder into the same COM folder you installed from Away3D. Like this. So now all of your code libraries are in place and you're ready to start building with SandCastle.